Hello guys, I know it's been a while. It is Lily's Touch. I am back with another banging tutorial. This one is a hack. I've been trying this on my clients for the past few months now and they told me they love it. So I wanted to make sure I do a tutorial here. So this hack is for all my beautiful ladies that have alopecia or hair thinning, baldness issues. This is especially for you guys. This technique is a life changer. You're going to love it, trust me. Let's say your edges are sensitive or you are suffering from hair thinning in that area and you don't want to put any pressure on that area, which I advise you guys to not do, because the more pressure you put on an area that is thinning, you're gonna suffer more hair loss. So I advise you guys to stay away from anything that would be putting too much pressure on the hair. Even how you braid the hair, it's special techniques you do when braiding hair that is so thin, because you could literally pull out your hair depending on how you braid it. So this right here is, I love it. So I don't know how you guys feel about it, but you guys could see step by step on how I did this piece, and a lot of people might think, why am I not using a closure to do this? Some people don't like to deal with lace. Some people don't like to deal with that at all. And I have some clients that's trying to get away from the whole lace thing. They want to go back to full sewins. So instead of putting pressure on their edges, I like to do this. So they told me they like it. So you guys tell me what you guys think. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, and tell me in the comment sections exactly how you feel about this. And if you did try it, let me know. And if you want to try it, let me know as well. So I'm just gonna let the video play so you guys could see exactly how it was done, and do let me know how you guys feel. This here might not be for every type of styles. Let's say you are looking to do a part in the middle. I don't advise this hair piece idea. This would only work if you're trying to do a full sewing without showing scalp. If you are trying to show scalp, and you're trying to do a part in the middle at that, it's not gonna look too good. So I would advise you to do an invisible part if you are trying to stay away from the lace or leave out. Most people though that do this and that I recommend this for is really for people that's suffering with hair loss, alopecia, or they just simply have hair that's thinning in that area on top. So I would advise them to do this. So it's not for every hairstyle. So yeah, so you could actually make this piece bigger depending on how much of the area of the head that is thinning. You could make it larger. And I braided my client like this because I didn't want to braid her hair going back because her edges are very, very sensitive. And the reason why too she wanted me to do this technique, well, that's after I shared with her about it, is because she have a forehead, she likes to hide it. So by me doing this technique, I'm able to make her that area in the front a lot fuller, so that she is able to have a lot more fullness in that area, because she don't like when it's thin. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that I'm not putting too much pressure as I am pulling the needle through. I'm doing it very, very gentle because I don't want to do too much pulling on her braid. So this is very, very delicate. When you're dealing with somebody that have hair issues, you really have to be careful how it's done. So I'm carefully placing the net on top of her hair so that I can make sure it's in the right place. Let me know in the comment sections how you guys feel about this technique. Okay, the last time I did it on a short style. Hopefully I could do it again so I could do a visual so that I could show you guys how it's done on a short hairstyle. We left the back of her hair out, and I cut the back and I added that piece on top, and then I cut that piece to blend in with her hair in the back. It was so pretty. Next time I do it, I'm gonna make sure that I do a tutorial on that. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video, and I'll come back again in a few. So over here, I kind of went back to add more tracks back there because I thought the hair was not going to be enough. So I skipped a couple rows, but I had some left over. So I went back to fill it in because she wanted her hair full. So over here, you see how the front looking? I could have left it just like that, all right? But she's going out of town and it's gonna be very windy. So I didn't want her hair to flip back if it's gonna be too windy. So I am gonna go under the net and I'm gonna stitch that part gently, very gently, because I don't want to do too much pulling, and that should do it. To give it a little bit more security. It's not that it's gonna go anywhere, and I don't think the wind gonna blow it so hard to a point it's gonna come up, but I just wanted her to feel more comfortable. So I did that, But usually I don't even do that because I don't even want to put any pressure at all in the front. Tell me who's gonna know your business. Who's gonna know you did all that underneath this sewing? Nobody. Okay, no one will know your business. So this is why I love this technique so much. This is why she can wear this as a full bang, or she could do a little swoop in the front. And for those of you guys that want to do like a curtain bang without dealing with lace, you could do that as well. We actually tried a full bang with it, a nice little swoop, and we even tried the curtain bang. So as you guys notice, the bang is not short, it has some length to it. So we are able to make it very versatile. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, have a great day, great night, and see you guys again on my next tutorial. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Make it go crazy, okay? And I hope to see you guys again next time. Have a great day and have a good night. Bye. Mwah.